Welcome to the CPC Biotech RevolveSD series overview video. The RevolveSD is a sterile disconnect technology that supports 1-inch nominal flow paths for closed system manufacturing. Before we begin, please reference the product specifications for best operating results. Disconnecting the RevolveSD connector is a simple two-step process. Simply remove and revolve. First, pull the gold locking tab out from the connector at both locations in the black shell. This will allow the shell to rotate. Second, turn the shell 2 full rotations, or 720 degrees, until you hear an audible pop or the insert termination detaches from the body. Now you can remove the insert termination end from the body shell. Important consideration: depending on your process, the insert termination is lighter than the body end, so decide on which orientation is preferred for your process. Identify the turn text with arrow on the body shell is in the correct orientation. The shell rotates clockwise in this orientation. If you feel resistance in the rotation, you are likely forcing the shell to rotate in the wrong direction. The product will not disconnect if the line is pressurized. However, fluid can remain in the line during disconnection. There should be at least an inch of slack in tubing on the insert side necessary to accommodate insert travel during the disconnection process. For further information on the RevolveSD sterile connector series, please visit cpc-bio.com/RevolveSD or scan the QR code on the screen. Thank you for choosing CPC Biotech for your sterile connection needs.